In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Western Union error code C2002. So what we want to do is first just completely close the Western Union app, so just exit out of it, and I'll show you a few fixes. So for the first one, we want to go to our phone settings, and here what we want to do is just search for Western Union. So search for it like this, find the application itself, and what we want to do is enable this if it's not already enabled. So background app refresh, just toggle this on if it's not already enabled, like I just said. Alright, so that was the first fix. If it still doesn't work, then what we can do is go back to our settings here on the phone, and we're just going to search for offload. So offload unused apps, select this option. It's going to show you a list of all of your applications, and we just want to find Western Union from the list of all of the applications, like so here. So find Western Union, click on it, and we want to select offload app. This will not log you out of your account. It's gonna store your data, so click on offload app and just reinstall the application. It's gonna take a little bit of time, and I'll just come back in a second, show you one last thing. Okay, once the app has been reinstalled, then you can try and see if that fixes the error. And the last thing that I can suggest doing is switching your network connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try opening up Western Union on mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. If neither of those work, then another reason why you might be getting this error 2002 on Western Union is because you have reached the monthly limit. So if you have exceeded or reached the monthly limit, you may have to wait for a month before this issue gets resolved. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.